7 kings who were considered wealthy or powerful. King Solomon. Solomon is often regarded as one of the richest kings in the Bible due to his great wealth and vast empire. He is said to have received tribute from many foreign rulers and had access to abundant resources, including gold, silver, and precious stones. King David. David was also a wealthy and powerful king, who is said to have accumulated much treasure and ruled over a large kingdom. He was able to fund the construction of the temple in Jerusalem, among other great works. King Ahab. Ahab was a king of Israel who is mentioned as having a luxurious palace made of ivory and gold, and he is said to have amassed great wealth through trade and tribute. King Nebuchadnezzar. Nebuchadnezzar was the king of Babylon and is often regarded as one of the greatest rulers in the ancient world. He is said to have built magnificent palaces and temples, and was known for his great wealth and military power. King Cyrus. Cyrus was the king of Persia and is said to have conquered many lands and amassed a great deal of wealth. He is also known for his humanitarian efforts, as he is credited with allowing the Jews to return to their homeland and rebuild their temple. King Herod the Great. Herod was a king of Judea who is said to have been incredibly wealthy, having amassed a great deal of money through taxation and trade. He is known for his grand building projects, including the expansion of the Second Temple in Jerusalem. King Pharaoh. Various pharaohs of Egypt are mentioned in the Bible, and they were known for their wealth and power. They ruled over a land that was rich in resources, and they are said to have amassed vast amounts of treasure and built grand structures, such as the pyramids. Like, share, comment.